Hey everyone, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, got the Eachine E013. This is a small pepper right after this. Alright guys, got everything out of the box here. Got the Eachine E013 right here, which is a nice little brush drone. Pretty fun for indoors. It does come with only one battery, which is 3.7 volt. This one's only 220 milliamps, and it's 35C, which this ain't too bad. It's about a 5-minute flight, you know, maybe a hair less, but definitely fun for indoors. You want to make sure you take off this cover. It does have the camera is the 1000 TVL, so you do get pretty good reception with this one. The goggles here, you got the VR006 it comes with, then you got the controller, you got the charging for the battery here, the USB charger for the goggles itself, and then you got a sticker kit so you can put some eyes on your drone if you want. You got 4 extra props and a Phillips screwdriver, and that is to be able to take off the screw right here, which I keep off because it's got a little clip right here, and it takes 3 AAAs there. So also you got little cleaning wipes here as well. This piece is actually part of the sticker, because when you do get this, you have to put the band on. You have to mount the antenna, of course, and then you have to actually stick the foam on here. And I think the only hardest part is kind of lining up this nose piece foam, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Just put it right on and ready to go. The controller here is pretty basic. Got your 3D flips up here, your rates of speed here, which I believe it's 3 rates of speed. You got your return to home, which I don't use, but it is there. As long as you have the drone facing away from you and you press that button, it will tilt back and come back towards you. Then you have to press it again or hit the throttle to stop that, which I don't like using that because it really don't work that well. But I really like these. I like the joystick because it's like feels like little aluminum pieces up here. So if you're a pincher, you definitely have enough stick to be able to pinch and fly. If you use your thumb, it's got a nice feel to it as well. You got all your trim buttons here, and then of course your on and off button. So that's pretty basic there, you guys. I think I put a little charge on here. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Got your on and off button here. See if it comes on here. See if I got it charged up. Yeah, there we go. You got your scan button here, and then you got your menu button as well. So let me go ahead and plug in the drone, which I found easier is to plug it in first. So I've got everything charged up, I believe. So let's go ahead and plug this in first and then slide the battery in. Seems to work out really well for me. I'm going to go ahead and take off the cover. Let me bind it. Okay, it's bound. So let's see if we can find, okay, it's already connected. So there we go. Already connected. So you do have picture. You got your menu button here on the side, so you can press the menu. Okay, it's just for contrast and saturation and input and your frequency on or off. Okay, so you can do that, and then of course your scan forward and back for your channels. It does have 40 channels you could choose from, so which makes it really nice. But this is a pretty cool little drone. The reason why I'm showing this is I know there's hundreds of videos, but this was actually sent to me as a gift for helping Eachine Banggood for making that instruction manual for that H61, or for that E61H. I made an instruction manual for them, so they send me a bunch of little gifts, and I always kind of wanted this little pepper to fly around the house. So I'm going to do a quick flight using the Eachine E100s, and I'll record onto the Eachine E100 DVR that connects to my goggles, so you can see what it looks like for a flight around here. I might do just a little line of sight flight inside the house. You definitely don't really want to take it outside because any kind of wind, it won't be able to handle it. So this is just for indoors. It's a little brushed, so Pretty fun, you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go take it for a flight. Alright guys, let me turn this thing on. Bind it. Alright, let's check it out. Let me go ahead and calibrate it here. I think it's down this corner here. Oh, there we go. Out to the sides here. Alright, so we went ahead and calibrated it. Let's check it out. I'm only in rate 1. That's a nice little drone. I like it. Pretty fun. Alright, there's rate 1. Let's see. There's number 2. I don't know how much. Whoa. That thing really has some spin on it. Yeah, I don't know how much I did on the battery here. We'll go ahead and I just put a small charge on it, so it's not fully charged. Let's go to rate 3. Yeah, definitely a lot more support here. Yeah, it turns pretty fast. Woo! Alright. Yeah, definitely sensitive. Rate 3 is definitely turns super sharp, so unless you have a lot of room, I would probably just stay, I don't know, here's 1's pretty good for just messing around. See if I could do a flip. Woo! Yeah, I did a little flip there. There we go. Yeah, it's not pulling out of it too well, is because I gotta charge the battery more. Let's try a flip again. Sideways, there we go. Yeah, I gotta charge the battery up a little more. I just charged enough to kind of fire it up, but we'll go for an FPV flight real quick. So I just wanted to see if it do flips. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't want to pull out of it. Yeah, let's try it again here. Yeah, it takes a lot for it to come out of that flip when the battery's low, so definitely flips are for when you charge it up some more. Yep, battery's getting low. Alright. Alright guys, let's go for an FPV flight real quick here. Charge up the battery. I'll be right back. Alright you guys, the Eachine E013 is actually a really cool indoor drone. As you can see, I did a flight partially outside with my FPV goggles, so it does do pretty good as long as there's no wind, and you definitely have to have a full battery. If it starts to get low, it won't pull back up, so it doesn't have a whole lot of power, you guys. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Eachine, thank you for sending this out for a gift. I enjoyed making that that manual for you guys on that E61H. That was pretty cool. So guys, look, if you're not subscribed already, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification, because I got the new upgrade Arco Eachine E013 coming soon. So, all right, guys. Like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying.